details?
No, I think he's coming on 5th. Let us see, we are still on the discussion stage. I don't want to disclose of his, he will explain, he has more detail. The KPCC research team has provided him a lot of information. We have made a big research on how the votes have been done. So I think my leader himself will come to you with all those issues.
BJP says that elections are in Bihar, but Rahul Gandhi is coming here.
It is not the question of Bihar or anywhere. How the votes have been misused is the question. How the votes have been theft, what type of, though there were a lot of complaints, even at the time of assembly election, Mr. Nagesh, our candidate also, had pointed out and made a lot of this one. Nothing could happen. But still, ultimately, we won in number of seats except that seat. But now again, we have made a big research team. We could have done in the entire state, but we have taken few consensus we have done. But I don't want to go to the detail of that. My leader will explain to you.
Well, sir,
Sir,
CM is meeting
government data
MLAs. You are also
shows,
meeting
government data
MLAs
shows that
today.
only
But
15%.
BJP says that CM and DCM both are meeting MLAs, but separately. This is the climax of differences.
No. I think there may be a lot of differences in the BJP, not in the Congress. Congress is a united house. No question of any differences. I think they are not there. Let them sort out their house in order first.
The
Sir,
agendas are
government
different,
data
sir.
shows only
CM is meeting
15% of tenders have been completed.
Huh?
Government data shows, the CM's portal shows only 15% of tenders have been completed, sir, since the government came to power. BJP says that there is no money for development, that's why tenders are not being
It has
awarded,
been
sir.
false. It is false. It is false. BJP had called the tender without money. We are calling the tender with money.